how to replace your Cash App card. If you want to replace your Cash App card, it's actually quite very simple for us to do that. What we do is we simply go ahead and then first of all, we launch Cash App, and this is the interface that you will be able to see. Then what you have to do is you want to simply go ahead and then go to your card tab. When you go to card, you'll find your current card. You simply have to scroll down towards that card and select the option called Get Card Support. If you don't find it, you can also come to the icon from the top right to your profile icon and go to Support and simply look for Card Support. Go to Cash App Card and select, you can see different options. You can select issues with card over here, or you can directly contact a customer support. So select issues with card, and maybe you've lost your card over here, select report lost or stolen card. Then when you've done that, you report this lost or stolen card, then you'll be able to chat to them, and then you can follow the prompts over there to report a stolen card, and then Cash App will give you the way to get a new card by replacing your older card, and you have to block your old card as well. And this way you can replace a Cash App card. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.